Posting pictures of yourself wearing a plain t-shirt is sometimes boring, and in this video I'll show you how you can add a little bit of design to your pictures that you are wearing a plain t-shirt. So let's get started. After importing your image into Photoshop, head over to the selection tools and then pick any selection tool of your choice. So me, I'll pick the quick selection tool for that matter, and then just click on it like this, and then the shirt is selected. Head over to this place down here and click on this thing, and then select solid color. And after giving this solid color, you can choose a color of your choice. So me, let me choose something like blue, something like this. Then click on OK, and then change the blend mode from normal to let me say linear blend. And then I'll go to File, Place Embedded, and then import this pattern on it and transform it nicely. Click on the check mark, and then you send the blend mode from normal to somewhere like say okay, screen color dot screen. Okay, screen works well. And then you create clipping mask here. Create clipping mask to the little part. And I think this one is okay. So let's group this one to J, and then before, after, before and after. Perfect. We only use the selection tool for this. So if you want to learn how to use all the tools over here, click that video on the screen. Until next time guys, quench not your creativity. Peace.